Hey, good morning, you guys. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we are cleaning a home this morning. It's one level, so I think we're gonna do the CRB by default, just because it's easy to get in and out, and it's not very big. So I think I just want to do a very nice, thorough clean, just to keep our name up there with premium carpet care. Now, we go in there. We've got one bedroom, a front room area, a hallway, and a couple area rugs that we're going to be cleaning today. Now, the homeowner did cue me in that in the front room there is some grease, so that really helps out when they point that stuff out, because then you can just pull out the right product without having to use something and then not get the results that you're wanting, and then having to pull something else out. So I'm going to be using Grease Hog by Backaway along with the detonator, which is a peroxide by Backaway as well. I'm going to combine the two to get the grease removing properties, but also have the sanitization and deodorizing properties of the peroxide. So it's going to work very well. So we're going to go in there, we're going to do our 3-stage process, which involves a pre-vacuum. There's a lot of debate going up on Facebook on whether or not I pre-vacuum, or a person should pre-vacuum or not. I guess that's really up to you as to what morally and ethically what you think is involved with carpet cleaning. If you're truly IICRC certified, you're going to do a pre-vacuum regardless, just because that is the standard mark for professional carpet cleaning, is to do a pre-vacuum. Then we move on to phase 2, which is a soil suspension process, using a pre-spray, which is going to be this Grease Hog and this peroxide based detonator stuff from Backaway. And then we are going to agitate using the CRB, which is further back in the truck there, using that. And then moving on to phase 3, we are going to use the hot water extraction truck mounted steam cleaning, and it always turns out very beautiful. And like I've mentioned before, I control my level of clean by the agitation that is being performed. Every guy, I don't know how many people actually monitor the levels of clean that they're providing, but I greatly distinguish between a straight clean, a premium clean, and a restoration clean. Alright, so the mercury up at the truck is up at 200 plus degrees and climbing. We got our hoses running in, and after I ran our solution line, I thought, oh, why don't we just run it through the garage? So we did. Got our corner guard here, protect against dragging against corners. We will be grooming out the carpets, as always, with a premium carpet cleaning. And so we're going to go ahead, we're going to plug our wand in and begin steaming it out. The pressure is at 400 degrees, so 400 psi is the pressure. At 200 plus, hopefully 220, 30 degrees once we get going here. And that is in combination with a CRB agitation